Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have a special recipe. Today we're going to make mirka maas curry. First of all, we need to get the fish. Wow, look at this big fish. We're going to cut the big fish into pieces. Defrost the fish. Wash the fish. Add 1 teaspoon of hollowed powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. Put oil in the pan. Fry the fish. It looks so yummy. Put 1 large onion into oil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of water. Add garlic and ginger paste 5 minutes later. Mix it all together. Half a teaspoon of hollowed, half a teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili, half a teaspoon of jeera. Mix it all together. Five minutes later, add half a cup of water. Five minutes later, add the fish. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Add the water. 5 minutes later, add the chilies. And add fresh coriander. Wait for 5 minutes and you're done. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.